Zamok. Hamza. Hamza.
فيها وين هاي؟ فيها وين؟
عند أخر
Welcome to our festive wonder at Dubai Festival City. In 2 minutes, we welcome the winter stars in our festive parade.
Happy festive, everybody! Welcome one and all to the most festive fun you'll have this season at Festive Wonder.
We are so thrilled to see so many happy faces. Now, we have a little tradition here. We love to know everybody that's joined us on this magical day. So, on the count of 3, I think we should all shout our names. Ready? 1, 2, 3!
That was great, but I think we can do even better. Now, let's try that again and make the snowflakes dance with the volume of our voices. Ready? 1, 2, 3!
Are you all having a magical time? Have you seen the amazing ice maze?
And have you been to Santa's cabin? I heard he's making a list and checking it twice.
What about Winnie's Winter Wonderland? It's the place where dreams come true.
Well, get ready for an extra special treat, because in just a little while, we'll be meeting Winnie the Pooh himself. Who wants to meet Winnie the Pooh?
But before we meet Winnie, I think we should learn a song to welcome him. And there are some really fun actions that we can do too.
So, when we sing Winnie the Pooh, can you all wave your arms like this?
And when we sing come out and say hello, can you give us a big wave hello?
And when we clap our hands, can you all clap with us?
Amazing. I think we should all practice together. So, can you give us a big wave above your heads? And a big wave hello. And don't forget to clap when we clap.
Perfect. I think we're ready. Now, let's start shouting for Winnie the Pooh. Everybody, as loud as you can, say, who do we want?
Winnie!
When do we want him?
Now!
Let's go!
Winnie the Pooh, we all want to
Wonders. Now, who's ready for the next part of our festive surprise?
We have a very dear friend that's come all the way from the 100-acre wood just to join us on this festive celebration.
That's right, but he's having a little trouble finding the stage. Who do we think it is?
It's Winnie the Pooh. But before we meet him, I think we should definitely all know our song to welcome him. Do you all remember your actions?
I think we should test them. So, when we sing Winnie the Pooh, what do you all do?
You give us a big wave above your heads. And when we sing come out and say hello, what do you do?
And when we clap our hands, can you all remember to clap with us? Fantastic! Now, let's put that all together and invite Winnie to come and dance with us.
Oh, hello everyone. It's so very nice to meet you all. It's more friendly with more people. We will have so much fun.
Welcome, Winnie. We are all so thrilled you could join us here at Festive Wonder.
It's a rather blustery day, isn't it? I seem to have misplaced my pots of honey. Perhaps they're around here somewhere. Where am I going to find some more?
Well, Winnie, here at Dubai Festival City Mall, you can find everything you need, even pots of honey for your dear friends.
Oh, that makes my rumbly-tumbly very happy. Honey is always a very grand thing. I love honey.
Well, Winnie, now that you're here, I think we should give one big round of applause to all the boys and girls and say goodbye with one last festive song.
Wait, let me tell everyone about my Wonderland. You can come visit us, play in the snow, and try your luck on Meltdown. We even have a snow park. I hope you are feeling the magic and making your dreams come true at our Festive Wonder.
And Winnie, don't forget about the magical human crane where you can win a festive present.
I think we are in for a magical day. Let's get everyone to join in with my favorite song, and I will see you all really soon.
It's a winning kind of day, or even when it's raining, he'll shine it in the rain. Put on a grin and feel good within. Think we're ready, let the day begin. When you're feeling energetic, it's a winning kind of day, or even if you're tired, you'll always hear it say, put on a Winnie kind of day.
It's time to go to sleep.
No, patient no, do not.
But Dad, please.
Until now, no information. It's so wrong. Next time we will think to come to the hospital.
أغلق عينيك الآن فقد قال بابا إنها وقت النوم.
No, don't give me any reason. Trust me, it's very wrong.
Night night.
So when are they giving us? Will they give today? No, ask them for now.